Here we are.
Hey there.
Cool trailer build out. This is Greg Rada.
Come on in.
Check it out. Oh, this is it. Awesome. Greg, talk about it a little bit here.
Okay.
We got in the kitchen a fridge.
Kitchen, refrigerator. Right
Nice
here.
size fridge.
Yep.
Awesome sink build
Yep.
out.
Stainless backsplash. Soft close. Drawer. Real wood.
Lots of storage.
Storage. Queen size bed.
Yep. Nice big bed.
All the lights are on dimmers.
And the ceiling is what kind of wood?
Tongue and groove. Ceiling.
Nice. Lots of outlets. Lots of switches.
Yep.
Nice.
Nice shades. Blackouts.
Perfect.
This is the shower.
Full-size shower.
Yeah.
Separate from the toilet. All built out. And all pennies for the floor. 100 exactly. Cool.
Here's your bathroom in here.
And this is, what kind of a toilet is this? Composting toilet?
That is, I'm going to do a tankless toilet here shortly. And that's a tankless water heater, instant hot and cold. That runs on propane.
Nice. And then what is the behind there? Is that a medicine cabinet?
That's just a mirror.
Okay, cool. All right. And what's the electrical here?
It's all 50 amp. That's been, usually it's only 30 amp, but this is built to 50 amp. There's 5 circuits on each panel, so it's kind of overly done. So
And this is totally livable right now, right?
completely tiny home living at its finest.
Cool. Check it out.